Hi everyone, this is Madhavan from SNS College of Technology in the Department of Agriculture Engineering. Today I am going to present about agriculture robots. Then I start with introduction. Robot. A robot is a mechanical artificial agent and is usually an electromechanical system. It is a device that because of software programming makes complicated tasks easy to perform. Then agriculture robots. Agriculture robotics is the logical proliferation of automation technology into biosystems such as agriculture, forestry, greenhouse, horticulture, etc. In agriculture, the opportunities for robot enhanced productivity are immense and the robots are appearing on farms in various guises and in increasing numbers. Then objectives to study focus on the economic feasibility of applying autonomous robotic vehicles, to study about robot usage and outcome of using robot in agriculture, to study how crop production could be automated in the future. Then how robots work. Robots can move and sense. They require multiple sensors and controls that allow them to move in an unknown environment. Then robots have usually five parts: sensors, controller, drive, arm, and end effectors. Sensors. The sensors send information in the form of electronic signals back to the controller. Sensor can give the robot controller information about its surroundings. Robots can be designed and programmed to get specific information that is beyond whatever sensors can tell us. Then controller. It is also called as computer. The controller functions as the brain of the robot. The controller also allows the robot to be networked to other systems so that it may work together with other machines, processes, or robots. Then actuators. The driver or actuator is the engine of the robot. An actuator is defined as mechanical device that produces motion. Actuators are some types: hydraulic motor, pneumatic motor, stepper motor, DC motor, servo motor. Then arms. Usually a robot arms is like a human arm with a soldier, elbow, wrist and fingers. The arm is the part of robot that position and the end effectors sensors to do their pre-programmed business. Then end effectors. The end effectors means the last link or end of the robot. At this end point, the tools are attached. In a wider sense, end effectors can be seen as the part of robot that interacts with the work environment. Then techniques involving agriculture robots. Process like bluffing, seeding, fertilizing, weeding, harvesting, spraying, etc. require large amount manpower. Hence, in order to reduce this need and save time and money, robots are employed. Need of robotic agriculture: sustain domestic agriculture, facilities 24-hour operations, improve safety, reduces labor needs, reduces chemical usage. Robot can do the right thing in the right place at the right time in the right way. Then robot for weed control. Weed identification is based on color photography. A four-wheel drive weed-seeking robot was developed by Danish Farm Research Authority. The task of the weed removing device is to remove or destroy the weed. An intelligent hoe uses vision systems to identify the row of crops and steer itself accurately between them considerably, reducing the need for herbicides. The autonomous weeding in sugar beet, it might be possible to reduce cost by 12%. Then it's a future farm. In the fully automated farm of the future, dedicated robots will take off the tough farming jobs that once could be done only by people. It is not just on the ground. That technology promises to transform farming. Unmanned air vehicles or drones are also coming into plane or farms. Then advantages of robots. Robots can work 24 hours a day, every day without rest. Robots don't need to paid wage. Robots are extremely accurate compared to humans, so product quality is high. Robots can perform tasks more quickly than humans, so more products can be made. Robots can work in very dangerous conditions. It may reduce up to 97% of the farm use of pesticides. Disadvantages of robots. Robots cannot easily adapt to unusual conditions like a human being. Can if an item on the line is not in correct place, a human worker would notice and correct it. People are made unemployed because robots are doing their job. Robots are very expensive and it can take more time to pay for them. Lack of decision making power. And conclusion. Agriculture robots can reduce the cost of cultivation by controlling the high cost of labor, efficient use of fertilizer, pesticides. The job in agriculture are track, dangerous, recure, intelligence, and quick through highly repetitive decisions. Hence, robots can be rightly substituted with the human operator. Workload on farmers minimized by using this type of robots, and it have to complete field operation at that time. The higher quality products can be obtained by this technique, and it is best for future farming. Thank you.